Hey, this is Spencer Welch from Zamp Solar. Today I want to talk about the Obsidian Series portable combo kits. These kits come in 90 watt, 145 watt, and 200 watt. This kit is the 145 watt, which comes with a 100 watt Obsidian portable kit and a 45 watt Obsidian portable kit. We are going to utilize the charge controller from the 100 watt regulated panel, and we're going to use an included Y adapter to connect the 45 watt unregulated panel. Connecting the portable combo kits is simple. Utilizing the included Y, we'll connect one panel, disconnect the main panel from the charge controller, connect it into the Y, and then we plug the Y into the charge controller, and now we have 145 watts going to our batteries. Once our two panels are connected to our charge controller, we can make sure that our charge controller is connected to our 15-foot wiring harness that is then connected to our batteries. And this is a simple plug-and-play solution to your powering needs.